I'll be showing you once again how to create your designer's page and actually link your page and filter the categories. What you would need to do on your side is essentially load up all the relevant pictures into the correct category. At this particular point, there are no categories. So in my previous tutorial, I've shown you how to create the actual linkages of the image to a specific category. Now in here, we'll run through another example where we will essentially come through and find a particular designer. In this instance, we'll copy their name and we'll go on to another place where we create all our pages, and I'd like you to click on add new, where we'll be creating the actual page. Now I've copied that name and all I do is just simply paste it in there. Now once that is done, you would click on WooCommerce, which is right over here, choose product. Just below the product you'll see list, and you would basically then go on to the drop down, and on that drop down you're looking for products with category slug. Click on that and the name of the slug will be the name of the actual item, which you can see overlaid over there. So you type out that exact name, ROCH, and just make sure that the spelling is correct, because if it is not, the files don't link up. So this is an automated process. Once you have done the hard part, which is this part, every time you load a different image in that category, it will automatically come to the relevant place. Everything else you can leave by default. Okay, once that is done, we will save this particular page. Okay. Now what we need is the actual ability to go back to our store, and on our store obviously I've clicked on customize already, and in here this little section is the part we'd like to edit. So like we've mentioned in our previous tutorials, you'll click on the last bar and inside there you'll find the one that we're looking for, which is this one. So in here you'll notice insert link. What we're going to do is we're going to change that from custom to existing content. Okay, when it comes to that, we'll simply choose by typing that particular page's name, and the designer I believe starts with an R, and here we go. So she comes up first and we simply click on that, and so what that is done, you simply therefore save and you publish. Now in this particular instance, we'll go a bit further just to refresh and jog your memory. We did mention that under background, you can therefore simultaneously add your background image. In this case, I'm not too certain which picture belongs to which because the categories have not been specified. So we'll use this one as a placeholder and we'll use image. Once that is done, we simply click on the side, and as I've mentioned, the gray bar and the light bar, and it comes back to the actual update. Now once that is done, all you do is you click on save and publish, and now once that is completed publishing, all you do is you simply go back to this page and refresh it. And basically you should have your updates with your designer's image and the actual correct linkage. Now if you click on this particular designer's section, you will then be taken to all of the posts automatically which are found inside of that designer's page. The ones without any pages would not have any specific particular page. So brief idea and brief insight from my side, use the previous tutorial which I've shown you on how to actually crop an image and replace all the images which look like that by making sure that the heights are similar and the proportions of the different pages are similar. If you notice, that's landscape, but that's portrait. That's portrait and that one is landscape. So that is what's causing the layout misfunction. Simply go in and replace all the relevant images with the image that you will use from your screen grab from my previous tutorial. Good luck and all the best.